It's the diamond mine? Nope. Wrong intro. It's the Black Diamond. Pretty sure. And we're going on a walk. I'm here with... Say your name.
Rainbow Unicorns.
Yep. We're not revealing our names. Sorry if you can't see us. The sun is shining bright.
So we've got a couple dollars here, and we're gonna go to get a slush bean.
Yes.
It's starting to become summertime, so
If you want to see them and all that, we might end the video at some point. So if we don't vlog that part, you'll see pictures on our TikTok, which I'm Slim Jim 121.
her account is blowing up like crazy right now. So make
It's
sure
only-
to go and follow her, so she gets more followers. She's at 302 right now. There's probably more. We don't
At
know.
the moment, because we don't have Wi-Fi.
Exactly.
Also, can you tell me, why is this one flipping TikTok actually booming up and none of the others are?
Yeah, she posted one TikTok, and it's almost like close. It's closer to 700 likes.
It's at the moment, I remember it's 648.
I think it was like 650 something.
I can't remember.
I can't remember.
Our memory sucks, by the way.
Yeah.
Give us mentions and stuff like that. We're already at 1 minute. Wow. How the hell are we doing better on my phone than yours? Oh, we tried vlogging a couple times on her phone.
My phone's just dumb, and it doesn't like to store things, so.
And apparently hers is, her time takes a lot, like, really faster than mine.
Don't mind my hair.
Yeah, I cover mine with a hat.
I don't have any tubes.
Comment down below and like if you like beanies. My hand's hurting. Can you take it?
Hashtag Beanie Squad or hashtag messy hair, don't care. Yeah.
Can you take it? Because my arm is hurting. I don't know how you do it.
Okay, well, it's pretty easy, actually.
Yo, I put it like this.
I
So
hold it
people
up
aren't
like
seeing my
this.
chest.
Oh, yeah, for the school. Okay.
Well, to be fair, this isn't actually our school. This was our old school.
That's our old school.
We're not elementary, we swear.
Yeah, we're not that young. I mean, we're young, but doing good deeds every day. Don't mind
It's
those
not called being a good deed, it's called being paranoid.
There's so much garbage around here. It's kind of sad.
Oh, I forgot. Get my hockey pucks.
Well, don't steal them.
I know.
It's like
who
you
they
jumping
are.
into.
Oh, we did a video and I stole 4 hockey pucks. You won't find it. I stole 4 hockey pucks, and after that, I brought it out during class, and my classmate told me that was theirs. They never took
Oh.
it. I'm like, do you
You're like,
want them
this
back?
is mine. It's like, do you want it back?
No. That's exactly what
We've
I
got
said.
20 more.
And they're like, well, how many do you have? I'm like, I have like 4. And
They
they're like,
probably have
"Oh,
like 20 of them.
you can just keep them then." So I'm being a thief to David. Oh,
It's okay, they don't know their last name. You do not know their last
also, I didn't finish their name.
name. So you don't know if it's wrong or not. Guys, if you want a shout out on any website, social media site, make sure to comment the username down below. And our next videos,
I do shout outs to people who show me their skins on TikTok. However, make your skins easy because then I don't have to spend like 2 hours doing this. Yeah, shout outs are hard.
Yeah.
Another thing, oh, here's our town.
It's beautiful.
We're not blurring. We don't know how to edit yet, so don't ask us to edit. She knows a little bit about editing. I don't.
I don't really have any apps to do that kind of stuff, but I mean,
We're not trying either. Because it would just end up like a blob.
yeah.
And if we try to blur anything out, the whole video would just be blurred.
Yeah, probably. I mean,
Don't expect good content.
if you have any ideas for stuff to do while we're on our walks, just comment them down below.
Ask us questions if you shall.
Stuff that like interests you, and will actually make you want to watch our videos.
Yeah, give us jokes. And like, if you want to ask us questions, we'll answer them.
Yeah, you can ask us like sort of personal questions, but I mean,
We'll take screenshots to go through them on her phone. Because mine will be doing the camera. Warning! Loud noises!
there's a lot of cars going through here, so
Yeah, a lot of loud noises. And
a lawnmower.
don't show people's license plates.
I didn't. He was already halfway gone. Oh my god, is that guy smoking? Get out of here.
Yes. I don't have a problem with smoking. I've kind of been raised with it.
I mean, true. I mean, yeah.
If this video reaches 240 likes, we'll tell you about our childhood. Mine's kind of sad.
Mine is also sort of sad reaching these years, but I mean,
Look, we have each other though. She doesn't know most of my past because I never bring it up.
if this video reaches 25 likes, we'll do 4 shout-outs for people in the comments.
You should do 20 likes. Just so
Sure.
we can do a few comments.
20 likes, and we'll do 4
Yo, if
shout-outs.
there's haters, you're being shout out to haters. We're gonna do hashtag haters and we're gonna put your names in this.
Hey, you should go up there, and I'll just stay down here, and I'll just film you.
I'll do a flip.
No, you won't.
I can't do a flip. For y'all viewers, I'm gonna jump. No, we'll go higher.
Oh my god.
Y'all ready? Oh, that's really scary. What's that plastic thing?
Right there?
Yeah.
It's part of a slushy cup.
No.
Alright, time to check what time it is. Oh. It is currently 12:55. We're doing so good right now. Usually it takes us about like 20 minutes to actually reach the
Yo,
top.
guys, this used to not fit me at all, and now look.
You shrank.
I
Mine
tried to
doesn't
laugh.
fit me anymore. I don't know where my hoodie for our school this year is anymore.
I actually never bought this. This is stolen.
Is it your brother's?
No. My brother isn't this tiny.
True. Look at the wind, guys. Look how amazing.
Yeah, it's ruining my hair. It's making me look like an egg.
It's making my hair better. Yeah, my account on TikTok has about 102 fans.
Yeah, and hers is Gotcha Girl. We do shout outs to each other.
Look up Star the Gotcha Girl with no capitals or spaces in between the words.
Since when was it Star Gotcha Girl?
Since always.
You gave shout out to the wrong person.
I tagged my name in one of your videos, don't worry.
Good. Didn't you comment? Okay. This is no joke. I do follow people who follow me. If you don't believe me, then ask the people if they got followed by me. They most likely say yes. However, I haven't done some of them because they're either new
Yo, 9 minutes,
Or-
almost in.
or it says I do it too fast. Because apparently you can follow people fast. So that's probably not allowing me to do that at the moment. So it's kind of being a pain. So yeah. I also follow people who don't follow me back. It's kind of upsetting.
But if you guys follow me and comment on one of my newest videos and say, hey, I seen you on YouTube, I'll make sure to follow you back.
We are going to somehow hook our YouTube to our
TikTok.
TikTok? TikTok? Yeah. It used to be called Musically. Go hate! Because they need to appreciate the old doing. Musically was way better.
Honestly, it was.
And it's not just because we're old. Actually, we're not old. If you guess our age, you win something. You win something.
A shout out and a follow on any social media
That we have.
that we have.
Mind you, you won't get much from her.
Yeah, I don't have it.
Me? I'm good. I get Twitter. About this.
We're also talking about our slushies, so we're gonna shut off the camera while we get our slushies because we don't want to get like banned.
You know how to do that?
Yeah. Like for a second, I know
It's
how to.
not even your phone and you know how. You know how to pause the video, right?
Yes.
I don't know how to pause mine.
Do you not see that pause button?
Sometimes it actually doesn't like stops video.
That's sad.
Maybe we'll have the magic touch.
Possibly.
We'll continue filming. I'm going to ask you a favor.
What?
Will you run up to Tristan? Tell him I like him. I just gave out his name.
They don't know his last name.
They still
It's
don't.
all fine.
There's like a bunch of Tristans in our
World.
school.
Even the world. There's like millions of Tristans probably.
Yeah. I'm getting steamy. Owie. I squished my tummy. I squished my ribs too.
Okay guys, we're gonna stop the video for a second right here so we can go get our slushes and we'll be right back. So alright guys,
We're
we got
back.
our slushes, we're back.
What flavor did you get?
I got root beer.
I got Pepsi because I'm classic. Shout out to Coca-Cola. Get them to get it at that store. Because
Yes.
Coca-Cola is better than Pepsi.
It is though. Comment hashtag Pepsi or hashtag Cola. Oh no, there's a car coming. Alright.
I want to be very aware that was not a cop. That was just a white.
I said a car.
I heard cop. By the way, I'm deaf as hell.
Alright guys, should we end the vlog here?
No.
Well, we can't film in school.
We'll end it at the 30
Kilometers an hour? Okay. We're just gonna get to the sign for us to end it.
Alright. So guys, this is it for this vlog. If you want to see part 2.
The next vlog
Next vlog tomorrow. Stay tuned.